Guys, let's visit the garden center at Walmart and see what they have for seed starting. So we're going to be talking about essential supplies that you need for seed starting, like the basics, okay? So the first thing you need are the seeds. You need viable seeds. These are the seeds they have at Walmart. I'm going to buy this one right here, habanero. Oh, what is this? This is a mix, hot pepper mix. This one has a variety of seeds, but I just wanted habaneros. I might get this one. So you need viable seeds, seeds that are not too old and have been stored in the right environment. So viable seeds, definitely something you need to get. And the next thing you're gonna need is the seed starting mix. This one right here. Well, this is the Jiffy brand. There are several brands. What is important is that it says seed starting on the label. It should say seed starting on the label. That's what you need to grow your seeds in. And then the last thing you need is the containers to start your seeds in. They have several different kinds. So we're using these containers just to germinate the seeds. Eventually you're going to uppot them. So what we're looking for is something that is at least 2 inches in depth. Okay, and these are not too small. They are not too small because we're just going to use them to start our seeds and then eventually uppot them. So you want something that can take a lot of seeds, especially if you're starting tiny seeds like this. You know, if you're starting bigger seeds like your ugu, that's the fruited pumpkin, that kind of stuff, maybe you want something that is bigger and deeper. But something like this will absolutely, it will be sufficient for your needs. This is another kind of container which I like because it's reusable. And then this one can sit on a windowsill, can easily sit on a windowsill.